property since 1853. Can I get a wow?
Wow.
I know. But that's nothing, right, Poland? 1853? That's just a little bit of history. Really. But we're happy to see you out here today. There are layers of history. The first layer is the military history. 80 years the United States Army occupied Alcatraz. Then the Federal Bureau of Prisons moved in 1934, and they ran it only for 29 years. And closed it down in 1963, and American Indians came out in the 60s, and you can see they left their mark up above here. Indians Welcome, that's from 1969. And the Indians had Alcatraz. American Indians of all tribes occupied Alcatraz for 19 months. And now you can see the arrowhead above me here. This arrowhead has been here since 1972. The National Park Service has ran Alcatraz all these years now, and our mission is to tell the story and to preserve this island for future generations. So we're glad to see you out here today. My name is Ranger John. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Poland. All right. Let's get started here. We want you to have a good time. There's a lot of walking ahead of you. If anybody has a mobility need, take the tram. It's a vehicle that parks to my right, and it drives you up to the top of the hill. It's a steep walk, so if you're not sure about this climb, take the tram. Restrooms are in this building and at the top of the hill. If you're going to smoke or eat or drink, only on this dock area here. Bottled water's okay, but everything else needs to be consumed here. Now let's, and you know, first aid, if you get hurt, there are plenty of staff members around the island, so give us a holler and we'll be happy to help you out. Today there are 5 options to learn the history. The map in English over here. Foreign languages, I'm sorry, we do not have Polish yet. We're working on that. We're working on it, but we do have a few other languages over here. $1 helps print the brochure. Option 2 is a video on the history of the island. It's shown in the theater. You walk up the road, turn left at the wooden stairs, and have a seat in the theater. Option 3 is our guest author. We have a former resident from the island. Jolene is her name. She was a little girl when she lived out here. Well, I think she came when she was about 6 or 7, and as a teenager lived up into her teens, lived on the island. She had housing up above here. Her dad was the associate warden at one point in his career on the island, so she knows her stuff. You'll be able to talk with her in the main bookstore. That's your 3rd option. 4th option is an interpretive walk through the gardens. That's the first talk of the day, and there are several throughout the day, but at 9:30, right over here at the guard tower, we have 2 of our star volunteers here to lead you through the gardens, and it is going to be a tiptoe through the tulip. We don't have any tulips out here yet, do we? We do. I stand corrected. In any case, this is a wonderful program. You guys are actually going to be going into some of the officers' row, some of the closed areas. So if you've got the time, go on this program, please. It's free.
Whoa.
I knew they'd like that. All right. Option 5, you're recorded too. You've all paid for that. They give them out in the shower room. The shower room is at the basement level of the prison building. Now, where is the prison? It's at the very top of the hill. So you have to walk that road all the way up to the top. There's signage along the way pointing in the direction of the shower room. And they'll strap an MP3 player on you, and you'll listen to that for about 45 minutes, and I think you'll enjoy the audio tour. You've all paid for that, so just show up. You can show up anytime. They're not going to run out of those things. Now, the last thing is the boat schedule. It's posted on the board behind me. The boats come and go every half an hour. The last boat leaves at 6:15. Now, I've covered everything, but if you have some questions, come on over and talk with me. If not, enjoy your national park, folks, and have a great day. Thank you. Thank you, Poland.